Ladies and gentlemen, audiophiles and tech enthusiasts, today we are diving deep with a review that's gonna redefine your audio experience. I'm thrilled to present you the Arctis Nova 7 wireless headphones. A symphony of innovation and sonic brilliance. Let's start with the aesthetics. The Arctis Nova 7 is more than just headphones. They have a modern design with a structure made of metal and plastic and looks really solid. These covers here, they can be changed and personalized as you wish. You can find different designs in the internet. As well, you can change also this band here to a personalized one that you like. You can find as well board controls on this side, where you can adjust the volume, tweak the balance between the game and audio you are listening to, mute yourself, answer calls, and pair with a Bluetooth button, all in the reach of your hand without needing to exit your game. Now, the most critical aspect, the sound quality. And boy, does the Arctis 7 Nova deliver! The precision engineered drivers and expert sound algorithms create a rich, dynamic soundstage from the punchy bass to the crystal clear highs. Every note is a revelation. It comes with several features to improve your sound quality, like the 360 spatial audio, to make you feel engaged with your favorite game, music or movie, as the immersive surround sound allows you to identify the direction of every critical step, reload or vocal cue. I've been using these headphones for a while playing Valorant and other type of games, and I can make sure this audio is really good and helps you to identify where the steps came from. It is also compatible with Tempest 3D audio for PS5 and Microsoft Spatial Sound, with a combination of SteelSeries hardware and Sonar Software contained in the Nova acoustic sound system. These custom design high-definition drivers can elevate your gaming experience to almighty levels. Install the Sonar Software and you'll feel like an audio wizard, where you can adjust every aspect of sound by using a 10 parametric EQ. With a couple of clicks, highlight the head pops and critical enemy footsteps by using this software. But if you don't want to do that hard work, you can also use the presets made with the best esports players.
Before I start explaining everything about this software, I'm using the microphone from this headset so you can see how it sounds. So starting with this software, you have the engine. You can go to your headphones, check how much battery you have. You have some apps if you want to explore this. I never installed any app. So here you can set the configuration you want. You can customize it. You have several settings. You can play with this and see which configuration you want, which settings you want. On the settings, you have other type of configurations related to the Bluetooth, how do you want it, and basically here that's it. Then on the 3D aim trainer, you have several quick games if you are a FPS gamer and you want to train your aim. I already tried this since I play Valorant sometimes, and it's very useful if you want to train your aim, but of course you have the training mode, the practice mode in your games as well. But yeah, it's very nice. You have toll phrases, survival, pigeon squash. They are very good if you want to train your aim. It's very useful. You have also the statistics about your aim. You have like a ranking here. Yeah, it's very nice, very nice. So back to our app. You have the moments if you want to do some clips about your gaming. If you want, you can set it for auto clipping, and it will clip according to your settings, or you can set it by a button and click a button to record the last, imagine 30 seconds. And the best feature of this software is the sonar. So here is where you set all the audio. The chat mix is the button on your headphones where you can switch this for one of the sides. So this side is if you want to only listen to your game, and this side is if you only want to hear to your shot or your voice shot. And I have this also on the middle, so I can hear both. And you have the microphone here. You can set these 5 modes: the game, chat, media, auxiliary, and microphone. And on the microphone, you have several settings you can change. You have the configurations here if you want a more deep voice or more clear. Mine is default. Also, you can use the auxiliary, the same thing if you have another microphone or something, or headphones or something like that. On the media, you can set how do you want your media to sound. I like to listen my music more punchy, but this is, you can set it as you want. The shot is the way you want your voice chat to sound. So I use Discord, and this is if you want to listen to the shot in a different way. You think your Discord is sounding like too much bass with too much voice or something like that, you can change it here. And finally, the game. This is the best feature, the best part of this software, where you can play with this and set the way you want your audio to sound. You have several configurations here. You can search for the game you play, and as you see, Elden Ring, Exoprimal a lot. And mine is set for CSGO because I found this works very well with Valorant as well. It's easier to hear the steps with this configuration. And this one is made by a ESL player. I think all the configurations are made by like professional players or something that understands this more than me. And yes, it's a pretty useful software and it's very nice to use.
One of the standout features is the seamless connectivity. Whether you're gaming or streaming or taking calls, the Arctis Nova 7 effortless syncs with your devices with this dual audio stream. You can mix 2 audio connections at the same time, so you can be using your computer, listening to your music, and at the same time simultaneous connected by Bluetooth to your phone, so if someone calls you, you will listen to your phone ringing on your headphones and you will be able to answer that call and talk through your headphones using the microphone that comes with them. Thanks to the multi-platform support, this feature can be used with your favorite platform, such as PC, Mac, PlayStation or Switch, with a pocket-sized USB-C dongle for lag-free Quantum 2.0 wireless. It comes with a cable Type-C to connect to your computer and charge your headphones, and the jack 3.5 cable inside the box, in case you want to use these headphones with a device that is not compatible with wireless or Bluetooth. Long listening sessions, no problem. The Arctis Nova 7 ergonomic design ensures comfort without compromise, with just 263 grams. The cushioned ear cups and adjustable headband make these phones a joy to wear, even during your longest watching marathons. This lightweight steel headband you can find a perfect fit with 4 points adjustments, 8 adjustable, combined with air with memory foam cushions. This way you don't need to ever worry again about getting that pressure over your head from your headphones. For the cushions, if you don't like these ones, you can also buy the Wicked ones. I did not try them because I found these ones are very comfortable, but I found a lot of reviews and comments saying that the Wicked ones are really good, that they fit better, have more isolation and are more comfortable than the original ones. But I'm pretty happy with these ones, so I'm not gonna change them. In the chaotic world we live now, the Arctis Nova 7 offers some isolation. It doesn't have ANC, but the passive isolation is good enough to play your games at home without hearing any external noises. But if you want to use them outside, these headphones are not going to give you the isolation you want from the outside world. Communication matters, and these phones understand that. This microphone is retractable, so you can hide it when you're not using it, and it can capture your voice with impressive clarity, even in boosting surroundings. With the powerful AI algorithms, shut down that noise not just your own, but also the keyboard clicks. This mic fully retracts into the ear cup, so if you don't want to use it anymore, for a sleeker look. Finally, the battery life. These headphones give you around 38 hours of battery, and if you run out of battery, you don't need to worry. A quick 15 minutes charging through your USB-C fast charging boosts the headset for more 6 hours of live battery. Or if you want to fully charge these headphones while you are using them, you can keep playing your games while these headphones are charging, at the same time without needing to stop playing your game. The Arctis Nova 7 headphones are not just headphones, they are a symphony of innovation, sound quality and comfort. Whether you are a gamer, a music lover or a professional on the move, these headphones redefine your audio journey. Are you ready to immerse yourself in the sound like never before? Don't miss out the Arctis Nova 7 experience, where every note, every call, every moment is enhanced. Hit that link below and embrace the future of audio. Hope you liked this review and helped with your decision. Leave that like below, subscribe and see you next time.